My name is Naveen Varathan, and the mathematical related career I have chosen to analyze is a civil engineer. A civil engineer designs and maintains buildings, roads, bridges, dams, and other similar structures. To become a civil engineer, one must have good problem-solving skills as well as communication skills, as they are oftentimes required to work as a team on different projects. Civil engineers must also have good visualization skills, as they must envision the plan that they are to set forth. They must be able to visualize the different components that make up of a large-scale project and foresee how the interrelationships change when individual aspects are modified. The most important skill for a civil engineer to have is their technical skills. In relation to mathematics, great knowledge of algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, and statistics are required in order to design work and problem solve. Physics and the practical application of scientific rules are vital to understand, as they must include design principles, construction methods, as well as deal with numerous environmental factors. It is essential for a civil engineer to be able to work with blueprints, maps, drawings, models, and computer programs used in architectural design and construction. To work as a civil engineer, one must not only have the required skills, but certain personal attributes as well. Most engineers are highly inquisitive, as they are often fascinated by how things work and the science behind the operation. A crucial part of the job is being able to cooperatively work with associates during a team project. An important aspect for one to understand is when and when not they should act as a leader or succumb to compromise. The obvious attribute that one is interested in construction and building are important for a civil engineer, as their eagerness benefits their work efficiency. Another attribute that assists their work is their ability to use their creative and innovative thinking to compensate for the challenges that may obstruct them from completing their job. It is essential for an engineer to be professional and have good work ethic, as they must show that they can keep their composure and act with a positive attitude when dealt with challenges. The education pathway is a challenging one for civil engineers, as the university acceptances are very competitive. During one's grade 12 year in high school, students wishing to go into the career path that is civil engineering must take courses in math, science, and English. Specifically, it is required that applicants must take advanced functions and calculus and vectors as mathematical subjects. Chemistry, physics, and English at the university preparation level is also required. Once accepted into a university, the minimum of a bachelor's degree in civil engineering or a closely related field is needed in order to attain a job in the world. Related university programs can range from architecture to civil engineering technology to civil drafting, to name some. Those who wish to achieve their graduate degree improve their chances on attaining an advanced position in the field, such as becoming a project manager. If one wishes to teach civil engineering, then they must acquire a PhD. A Bachelor of Science degree in engineering can be obtained at many universities around the world. However, the top 4 institutes in the world, based on the 2015 QS World University Rankings in Civil Engineering, are Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Stanford University, National University of Singapore, and Imperial College London. The average starting salary for this occupation is $57,000, and in the span of working 10 years, one's salary can range from $85,000 to over $100,000, depending on the company they work for, as well as their productivity. Overall, a civil engineer is a well-established job that is becoming more and more competitive in the world to obtain. With the high average standards needed to be accepted into a good university, stress is developed at a young age and is constant for many years as students yearn to become perfectionists, striving to be the best in their class in hopes to reach the top. To conclude, a civil engineer is an interesting and credible occupation. However, it is only achievable for those who are committed to put in the hard work.